Okay, so when you come down from the gate, you have this landing here. If you were to have parked in the garage, which is pretty average sized garage, maybe a little deeper than normal, so you could have some storage in here. Open rafters, so you can actually, let's see, they stored some stuff up there. Okay. A big entry here. So this is the laundry room. It's got vinyl flooring, and it's got a full bath right here. So again, this vinyl flooring, carpet, original appliances, I think for the most part. Stove certainly, but it's all pretty clean order. Wood burning stove. Kind of a gray day today, but right here on the lake. Have this other full bath down here. Bedroom. And this bedroom. This is kind of this open loft room. Two open loft rooms, I should say.